Today we talk about how can you find events on your StubHub app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, so when you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you keep going down here, so then you click here on favorites, just click on it, so then you come to next step here, then you click here on events. In here you will find all events here, so there is a lot of events, can you select it in this list. So that's all, I wish know you are great. So thank you for watching, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.